Hi guys, almost every week I launch a contest and we gift t-shirts. So please do follow our channel in case you want to. On Instagram, my channel Rav Singh CK or CK CET King. So these are the memes going on in the market. So let's check out a few memes. I posted them on my story as well. So here are the few memes going on. बोर्ड वाले स्टूडेंट बेटा तुम जाके IPL देखो, एंटर तो तू अंदर जा पढ़ाई कर. So these are few memes which I got from the internet. हाथ जोड़ के गुजारिश है मेरे बच्चों से दूर रहो. ये भेदभाव क्यों हो रहा है भाई एंट्रेंस स्टूडेंट्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स. इतनी खुशी. बॉस, अगर एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम हमारे कैंसिल हो गए, ठीक है, कैट CET, इफ़ दे गेट कैंसल्ड दिस विल बी अ पेन, ट्रस्ट मी, बिकॉज सी first of all please try to understand, entrance exam have been cancelled, yeah, exam have been cancelled, but still mark sheets will be out. You will be evaluated in some different way, and that different way can be scary as well, trust me. ठीक है, तो ज़्यादा खुशी, इतनी खुशी मत मनाओ, ओके, क्योंकि दे आर गोइंग टू evaluate you some other ways which they not yet told us. So what can be that way for the MBA entrance? Same thing, if that can be done. हाय गाइस, तो अपना एग्जाम तो होने वाला है, जहाँ तुम लेके सोच के बैठो मत. इवन यू गेट कैंसल्ड, योर स्टडीज विल नॉट गो वेस्ट बिकॉज दे माइट बी सम अदर वे. सो वी आर कंडक्टिंग दिस डेमो टुडे. प्लीज अटेंड द डेमो इफ यू कैन फॉर CAT 21 and CET 22 by calling up any of these number. Today I'm taking up the arrangement topic. What if MBA entrance exams are cancelled? Of course, it's a hypothetical case. See, CBSE का भी किसको मालूम था यार? We have never ever, I have heard of in my career, or maybe you have heard, or maybe even your parents have heard of that exams getting cancelled. Postpone सुना है, cancel नहीं होता. तो MBA वाले भी हो सकते हैं. And was talking to a director of a B school. He said yes, this is possible that in case entrance exam cannot happen, but still admission will be happening. How the admission will be happening? Number one point is on the basis of your 10th 12th marks. Yes, unfortunately, yes, 10th 12th graduation marks के basis पे admission happen. This is happening, trust me. Last year ISC, yeah, CAT happened, but they could not conduct the GDPI. So Indian Institute of Science, IISc Bangalore, gave admission on the basis of your college marks. Lot of people, I think IIT Kharagpur as well did the same thing. So this is a possibility that in case CAT get cancelled or CET get cancelled, JBIMS, Sidnam, maybe IIMS can give the exam on this basis. Can the exam get cancelled? Most probably no. They might make it online, they might connect the online, they might do something else. Second possibility, exam happening online. See, 10th 12th का exam cannot be connected online because lot of people don't have access to internet, especially all the villages and all these things. Those who travel far away, yeah, they travel 5 kilometers to attend the school. तो internet कहाँ से होगा? But MBA entrance, most of the students have access to internet because our exam is anyway online. So exam can go online. Number three, there's also possibility they conduct a localized exam. Localized mean all the ITs come together and conduct their own exam. JB, Sidnam, Alkesh, Dinesh, Modi, Pumba, all the government colleges come together and they say, "No, we are going to conduct our own exam." Okay. If you think that cannot happen, it's happening. JBMS, MHRD program conduct their own exam. Yeah, JBMS, MSc Finance program, they have their own interview. So the system is already there. They just have to apply the system to the other exam as well if the government approve, which most probably not going to approve, but these are all possible cases which are there. Fine. I will pray to God that this does not happen. Most probably will not happen also. Exam can get postponed but will not get delayed. See, CAT exam is going to be November. So those who are going for the CAT exam, they don't need to worry about. आपके पास बहुत टाइम है. हमारे से पहले IIT, JEE and NEET. These are the two major exams in the country which are going to happen. If they happen, CAT exam will happen. If they get cancelled or if they get postponed till October, November, then CAT can be in the trouble. Alright. Now come to second point, CET वाले. अपना प्रॉब्लम क्या था यार? We got stuck in March when the COVID was at the peak time. So exam got delayed. So we still don't know exam कब होगा, form कब आएगा. We have no idea. We have to wait and watch for that. These things हैपनिंग फॉर CET इज़ वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट, या मोस्ट ऑफ नहीं होगा, बट नथिंग कैन बी रूल्ड आउट, यू नेवर नो. COVID times we can see anything. Okay, so we have to just wait and watch for that. Let's see. What do you think if exam is not happening, how will they give it? They have to get admission. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि दे एक साल छोड़ देंगे. Government colleges can still survive without students for 1 year, but all the private colleges, how will they survive? If I talk about CET, if I talk about CAT, leave alone 10 colleges, 21 colleges in CAT are government colleges, 21. Remaining all 1000 colleges are private colleges. In CET, apart from these 5-6 government colleges, all private colleges are there. So they cannot survive without student. And most of the colleges are owned by politicians. ठीक है, तो वो एग्ज़ाम तुम्हारा हो ना हो, एडमिशन तो होगा. किस बेसिस पे होगा? वी हैव टू वेट एंड वॉच. So it can be localized exam, it can be based on the 10-12 graduation mark, it can be based on the online exam. For example, AICTE last year said to all the MB colleges that you can take admission on the basis of the graduation score. They approved that. तो ऐसा इस बार भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो ये मत बोलो भाई हो ही नहीं सकता. भाई वो तो 10-12 के मार्क्स में नो वन थॉट कि दे विल गेट कैंसिल, बट कैंसिल हुआ ना. एनीथिंग इज पॉसिबल.